Depression is death. Once you get depressed, you're a walking corpse. Depression is not a disease, it's hell. For this is the evil you don't want to meet, but the devil you won't escape. If he hasn't attacked you, he is on the way and you won't like it. He is like as if the devil and the crocodile had a baby. So where does he come from? Like the devil he is, it's even hard to pinpoint his origin or even comprehend his lineage. To some, he appears at the darkest hour of their lives, at that moment when your beloved one has departed and she was your stronghold. Her departure leaves you in a pit. The pit is too high to climb, and the monster devours you forever. Others, it's the heartbreak. From what you thought loved you with all their soul, and for you to find their soul loved another person. This devil will come from everywhere in your errands, like loss for a job, a game, or anything. What about the monster that is made? I mean made as manufactured with chemicals, materials, and mixing. All great things fall. No evil ever falls. He is here and he is clear. He was there when you were born, and he shall never leave until you're gone. However, there is a tiny problem. He just can't let you die. He just has to lie. He has to lie. Like, I'm here to help you. Only that he wants you to live because bodies are scarce. And his agents like stress and anxiety are not bringing in more members for him. He's bad, he's badder, but can he be baddest? Yes, he can. What about if he lays eggs inside you and they hatch, and now you are his reflection? You are more than antisocial. All your social skills died 10 years ago. You can't stand anymore. You are a Grinch. You hate everyone. And since you don't have any social skills, it's time to fight. Fight for the sake of it. Fight for the fight. Fight because there's war. Fight because you shall win. Fight the monster. Fight the devil. Fight depression. Let me end this story with a poem. Try to guess what it is. What can leave a man crying, running naked in the night? What can leave a man despondent, asking for more drugs to stimulate his dead soul? What? 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 What?